Ready for a smarter and more efficient way to keep your home clean? Look no further than robot vacuums. In today's video guide, we are putting the focus on the iRobot Roomba 694 Wi-Fi Alexa robot vacuum. Should you find yourself interested in purchasing this product while watching this video, please refer to the links provided in the description. Now let's get started. With a sleek design and easy-to-use functionalities, the Roomba 694 is available for under $300. This vacuum offers intelligent cleaning schedules tailored to your habits and can be controlled via Google Assistant, Alexa, or the iRobot Home app. It features an auto-adjust cleaning head that seamlessly transitions from carpets to hard floors and boasts robust adaptive navigation technology for handling obstacles and edges. Running time is capped at an impressive 90 minutes before it docks and recharges itself automatically. As for reasons to buy, it's affordable and equipped with smart scheduling features. As for concerns, it may struggle with larger debris. Overall, it's a stellar choice for daily maintenance of clean floors. I would highly recommend this product to busy individuals or pet owners needing consistent floor cleanliness without the hassle. For more details about the iRobot Roomba 694 Wi-Fi Alexa robot vacuum, including where to buy and updated pricing, be sure to check out the product links in the description. Also, if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.